video, we are going to review how to add weld settings to the customer library. On the pendant here, we have added our weld parameters. We have saved the weld parameters that we like. And now I'm going to the bottom right of the screen to save to library. And now I'm going to name my weld settings as test. I can also add a short description and save. Now I have saved my weld settings into the weld library. If I want to recall these weld settings on my weld parameters homepage, I can click on the library button here at the bottom right, and I can recall any of the previous library settings that I had saved. And then I can click load. And that is how you save weld settings to the library.